go.
Let's move it time. Yeah, it's time for Matt to eat the food. Bring on the food. He's got chips and cake to go. Cake and chips and another. You missed it, right? You missed the. No. You have to. No, you have to cover the cake in gravy.
Not cover the whole thing.
No, the first big chunk.
Oh God, that is horrible.
Yeah. Two things that are so right. Just put it on there and slather it around. That's it. We could be at a turning point here, folks. Oh God. Oh, I need a rest just looking at it.
I'm going to have to stay down here for at least another hour for me to recover.
You can just go and sit in the car.
I don't want to go sit in the car. This cake's very nice though.
It is, isn't it? If it hadn't been preceded by 40 meatballs, it would be even better.
The thing is, I can finish those. I just don't think I'm going to be able to do the refill.
Another.
You join us here at the 25th minute of the Hippodrome Meatball Challenge. Our main contender, after a good start, has hit a bit of a wall. So he takes on the chocolate cake, notably eating out of order here. He's gone for the sweet before finishing the savoury. Maybe that's a tactic, we don't know at this time, but it's going to be interesting finding out.
Fuck you. I'd like you to bear in mind that this is a very painful experience. One which I was enjoying initially, and now it's very much the opposite.
There's a time update for you there. Should be scrolling across the bottom of the screen. 26 minutes, 38 seconds.
26 seconds.
Shush. Concern yourself with food, Maestro.
Your face, Ben, you're like...
Okay, so let's go to some of the public and find out what they think of this event. Ben, hello, would you like to give your views? Quite clearly stunned there by this thing taking place in the first place. Okay, let's go back to mate. Let's get a close-up of the plate. Okay, this is our food eye cam of what's left on Matt's plate there. Okay, we're going to come back down now. Excellent. Giving you a time update there. 27 minutes and 9 seconds gone. Okay, he's eating the chip. The chip's gone in. The chip is in.
I thought I only had 2 of these to drink.
Yes. So yeah, what would you like? Now cola's bad.
The lime thing again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can't believe it.
2.25 minutes. Get it.
I think I can do the chips. I'm just not sure about the drink.
Let's go. 4 minutes, go pocket.
Oh yeah, and you find them later.
Well, that's very full.
So full.
That's very full there. That's unfortunate. Matt's not going to like that. Just, of course, the stewards that are on hand to dish out the portions. It's out of our control. It's just whatever comes across.
Sorry, Cameron.
Oh no, we've had a terrible accident down here. And the sprinkles.
No.
It's getting heated. Oh, he's making a valiant effort. He's got 1 minute and 20 seconds to go.
This really isn't. This really isn't.
Very intense. You can see the pain on his face now. This is a man grappling with his most basic function. He's overcoming his body's
Feel my
body's
pulse.
painful.
Like I can just feel my pulse just generally around my body. That's not a good thing.
That will be the fat of the meatballs now, clogging up his arteries as it goes round. Okay, we'll pick that up on a follow-up show and follow the health of this man as it develops over the next 7 years.
Fucking multiple cases of cancer.
Meatball induced. Where would that happen, Matt? Where would meatball cancer go?
Oh man.
Oh.
This drink isn't going
You
down.
can do it. Come
I
on,
ate
he's
all the
got.
fucking food.
Everyone is with you now. You've got 19 seconds.
No, too much.
Oh, and
So-
that's it. That's it. Well, I would like to say that I'm feeling incredibly pleased with myself and smug, but the fact is that Matt put in an amazing effort. I can't believe it. And that he failed by like a third of a glass or whatever is incredible.
I'm gonna go and throw up now.
Thanks for joining us. Oh, there goes a brave, brave man. That, my friends, is the walk of a hero.